you all for coming here today, for joining the Realme family. Just to give a little introduction about myself, I am Nidhi Bhatia. I am the product manager for Realme India. So, Realme for every Indian. This has been not just our philosophy but also our target. We want to be able to reach each and every customer of this country so that we can offer them good value products. So this has been our vision, and that is why we've called you all here today to do the offline launch of Realme C2, which is Desh Ka Real Choice, our latest addition to the Realme family. So we are a one-year-old brand. We started in May 2018, and just in the last 12 months, these are some of the achievements that I'd like to point out. We were coined the #1 emerging smartphone brand in India by CMR last year. In Q4 2018, we were the #4 brand in the market in terms of smartphones by IDC and Counterpoint, and again we continued that position in Q1 2019 as well. So this is something that we are very proud of. Also, I think for every brand, quality is a very important factor. So we were also coined the #1 quality smartphone brand in India by CMR. Just to show you a little bit about how we focus on quality, I'll just show you a video. Focused on quality throughout, and the level at which we do our testing, from scratch test to drop test to any other test, to ensure the highest quality for our users. And we would like to thank Oppo for sharing their manufacturing capabilities with us to ensure this. So this year, our first phone that we launched was Realme 3, and I'm very happy to say that in March it was the #1 selling smartphone in India. Also, just in the last 1 year, we have over 6 million users already for all our products till now. So we started something new this year, that is a pop-up store which we opened in Pacific Mall in New Delhi this year, where we understand that the Indian audience is such that they like to experience the product. So this was a pop-up store that we opened in Pacific Mall, where they could just go and get the look and feel of the product and experience the product and get a first hands on the product. So these are just some pictures that show you how excited people were about this, just to get the hands-on the product. So just talking about our series till now, just a second. I think mic is not required, right? I think it's audible. Okay. So just talking about all our product series till now, our C series, which is the entry-level value king, which offers you the best possible products in the completely budget segment, in the entry-level segment. Our Realme series, we've launched 3 products till now in this series: Realme 1, Realme 2 and Realme 3, which is our Power Master and offers you the best products again under the 10K segment, in the budget segment. Our Pro series, which is basically our flagship for the youth, and our U series, which is a photography expert. So these are the first 6 products that we launched. We started with Realme 1 and then moved on to Realme 2. We did many firsts with all these products. We launched with a MediaTek processor, first time introduced the diamond design. With Realme 2 we brought a notch and a big battery, again with the diamond design. And then with Realme 2 Pro, which was our first flagship product, we got the dewdrop screen in this and launched it with Snapdragon 660 processor. Then with Realme C1 was our first entry-level phone, and then we launched Realme U1 with a 25 megapixel selfie camera, and then finally Realme 3 that we launched this year. And the latest two additions to our product portfolio has been Realme C2 and Realme 3 Pro. So in the last 1 year, we've launched 4 series with 8 products. And so this year, we started with the online market. And this year, January, we started expanding towards the offline market as well. And till now, our presence is there in more than 50 cities and more than 8,000 outlets.
Yes, maybe we will be able to.
Yes, some memory is utilized in it, but there are RAM management techniques that are there in a particular software when you're updating it or using it on a regular basis. That happens, that we try to optimize with every update, so that our users do not have to face any such issues when it comes to RAM.
But it happens to be actually every phone maker says that okay, we have 16 GB of memory, and your memory will not be used up just with the update. But you can check my phone or anybody else's phone here, must be leaving with 2 GB now, or maybe with 1 GB less.
So I cannot comment on every phone that is there, but I can tell you. But I can I can tell you. Of course, any software update that happens, it does utilize certain amount of memory that is there. Okay, or any software that is there in your phone utilizes certain amount of memory. But like I said, the management of the entire RAM, ROM, everything that is done in a way that it does not affect your usage, it does not affect your memory to a great extent.